Hey my friends, I'm back for you with another video. Today I show you how to make bass boost music. You may think now, what in the world is bass boost music? Bro, chill. Bass boost music is music that make you feel badass when driving in your car on German Autobahn. So guys, it is all about the bass. The bass has to smack you in the face. You wanna know how to make it? My friend, calm down. I show you. You basically have to take a famous song and turn it into a bass banger. First, search a acapella on YouTube from a song you like. In my case, I like Billie Eilish. I take the acapella of the song Bad Guy because I think we can transform it into a real banger you can listen in your car. So, now we have the acapella in our Florida studio. We first have to change the BPM of the acapella because it is too fast for my taste. I want to make the song in 125 BPM. So I first drag the BPM knob to 125, after that I click on the vocal, click on time, auto detect, and now type in the original BPM of the acapella. And so FL Studio will automatically change the BPM to the BPM of the project. Easy. Now we can go creative and do whatever we want. I think it is cool when the song starts directly with a build-up. So when people driving in the car there don't have to wait so long for the bass to drop. I take a bass preset from my pack and I create a melody which I think fits good. I speed up this process a bit because it's too boring to watch. And it's done. Nice. I really like it. To make the build-up more tensioning we need built-up drums and risers. I just took some samples out of my pack and threw it in, to make the snare build-up very nice. I click on it, set the pitch range up to 12, and create an automation clip and turn it to this so it opens up when it comes to the drop. The song sounds still very dry, therefore, we need to drag in some drone samples to fill out some mid and high frequencies. And I use these riser samples. My friends, now I show you the most important part of a bass boost remix, the bassline. For the bassline I use a few serum presets from my pack. I have done some echoing and compression on them separately and then I routed them all together into a bass channel. Let me show you them real quick. So I basically took all the low frequencies from all of the basses and made a separate sub-bass which plays alone in the very low frequency area. With this technique you will have a more clean mix, and I made a little volume automation for a bit more bounce. Altogether the bassline sounds like this, my fellas. The second most important element is the kick. Maybe the kick is even the most important one, ha 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 ha. The kick has to be very punchy. Of course you also need some claps and snares to give your track the rhythm your listeners want. I took some slap claps like this for example, and a punchy snare for more body in the mid frequencies, and I timed them different so it sounds more organic. Guys, you won't believe it but we are almost done. After listening a few times to it I still felt that the drop was sounding too dry, so I dragged in a texture sample and a low drone sample which sound like this. And a respace. To give the drop a bit more groove, I added 2 percussion loops. For the second drop right here, I just added some hi-hats to give this a bit more variation and we are done guys. For a bass boost remix you don't need lots of elements, but you have to make them sound nice and fat together. For the mastering I just used the Ozone 9 Elements plugin, which I paid $20 for, and I let them do the automatic mastering, and I tweaked a few things there afterwards. Before we listen to the final result, I have to tell you that you can have this project for absolutely free, but I bounce out the individual patterns because people rip off all my stuff, ha ha ha. But you can download it and go deeper into the mixing and use it for educational purposes. All samples and presets used in this video is from my Slap House sample pack called Engine. This pack is one of the best slap house packs on the market, and it will really turn your productions to a higher level. With 400 drum samples and loops, and over 100 serum presets, and 100 synth 1 presets, you will love this pack. But guys, let's listen now to our bass boost banger in our car on German Autobahn. Let's go.
White shirt, now red, my bloody no sleeping. You're on your tippy toes, creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. So you're a tough guy, like you're really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always a puff guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. Duh. I like it when you take control, even if you know that you don't own me. I'll let you play the role, I'll be your animal.
Guys, thanks for watching. I love you.